Hello everyone, today I'm gonna play against Fox 9 the player. Long time I haven't been using for 3 and 4 for the first move. Today I'm gonna use it. And even, I don't know why I wanna use this beginning. My opponent is Chinese female professional player. I'm handling black, my opponent is white. Okay. When I approach here, my opponent always prefer to use this pincer, but this time is different. This time is here. Still, I'm not confident to handle this 주세기. It's very complicated. I'm just gonna ignore. Yeah, this is my tactics. Oh, she wanna use this, which means she wanna return, switch, or not. She wanna hane or tenuki. Tenuki, okay. Then I will just use the normal move. Kusumi will be never, it cannot be bad. Oh, even this move. Then somehow knight's move is quite, looks amazing. She's gonna jump, I think. The point is after jump. After jump, which move is good? Should I just wait here? Okay. And the right hand side is also very big. After I play Atari and stretch, then she cannot hane here anymore, so she cannot switch to the lower side. So somehow left hand side is the value is getting down, and now she has to decide whether she want to play here or just play Kusumi. Yep. I will just use this move lately. Fine. Then switch. My stone is here, so I think the lower side potential is not so afraid to me. It's acceptable for me. I can just give it to her, everything. Hane is also understandable. This is better for the point. Then just defense. And I think around here, reduce seems necessary for her. Oh, are you listening? And then this seems good. But I don't know why I like to play such move. I want to have a heavy attacking. Here? Oh, opposite. This was not what I expected. Fine, then I will approach here now. And then when she jump out, then I need to set up the plan again. Yeah, something like this. Can I just surround? If I can surround, that's the best move. Okay, I can try. That means she wanna really hane here. She will hane. Oh no, decided to save inside. I think saving, let her saving inside is okay. Oh, which side do I need to stretch? Is it the fourth line or the second line? Okay, fourth line.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱.
호호호호호.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟.
I think she wanna, which means I think she want to punch here. Stretch and Atari and then Atari here.
하나,
Somehow that is what she
둘,
is thinking.
셋, 넷, 다섯,
I need to
여섯.
save it anyway.
하나,
Quite
둘,
hard now.
셋.
Oh, really? Atari this way? Oh, this one.
하나, 둘, 셋.
If I can capture this, I think it's fine for me. I think she wanna save this
하나,
after break my
둘.
position.
하나, 둘,
Okay,
셋,
it's hard
넷,
now.
다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉.
Okay.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉.
Okay.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉.
Connect. I can push as well. I have to use all the center now.
둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉.
Somehow sacrifice is necessary.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯.
If I can save, this is the best.
넷, 다섯.
I know that that's not easy. Block and stretch.
둘,
Attach
셋,
and connect.
넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉. 두 번 남았습니다.
Alright.
하나, 둘,
It seems hard.
셋, 넷.
She thought this is the shape.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉.
Become saving is not so hard. Just I have to save with properly, with better position. Like
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯.
okay, Hane seems brighter point.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯.
And then just connect.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉.
Fine.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷.
It is our benefit
하나,
now.
둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉.
Is the Hane good exchange for me?
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟.
Oh, she trade. How come?
하나, 둘,